Nice. Introduce him to Claude.
Button up your shirt. Which is in your pants. Alright, man. Put which in your pants. Glad it.
Hello.
Hello, Claudette.
Miss Claudette, you.
Hello, Miss Claudette. How is everything?
You can the dance?
Not so much.
Well, the dance with that.
Oh man, that too stiff.
No, stop.
No, we don't like them style.
We something local.
Yeah. Some shoulder move.
Hold on, move.
Some rocking dolly.
Water pumping.
Some slider wine. Alright, enough for you. Hey, we are gonna sleep.
Says we are going to sleep.
You?
Yeah.
The two away go sleep. If you sleep too, who gonna take care of security?
Security. But not in a station ways.
You know, sir, we have to have internal security.
You watch. How we sleep.
All right. Then me sleep and uno watch.
Nah. Afterwards, we sleep and you watch again.
Look here. Is what you not come in here for?
A big M.
What about you?
You ever kill?
All the while, me's very cruel. Ask the constable.
Come full time. Come bullet.
Again? What did this we get yesterday?
That's not your fault, man. You know, should have known it yesterday. You would have get something different today. Come down.
What is? This guy full of working man belly.
Come, Mark. Say your one. Come.
Officer, me I beg you to take me out now. This is cruelty.
Cruelty? You talking about cruelty? Hmm? You who killed 2 and crippled 10 in a one day, talking about cruelty?
He killed two?
Cripple 10?
You know, did he?
No, officer, it's where them come in here for.
Oh, them?
Mm.
They're a petty thief, man. Let me know how they work.
So we. How the boy them a look at me, sir? Not. So, not. Eh? Nothing, sir. Answer me, man.
No. Mad Max.
Mad Max? So, Mad Max?
Nothing, Mr. Max, sir.
Then wait. How you lose your stamina all of a sudden, sir? Eh? How come you lose your stamina all of a sudden, sir? What happened? Him stamina come and go.
Sometime, Mr. Max.
Oh. And you stamina. Eh? Move out of my space. You two. On a still in a nice space, you know. That's all. It no matter. Because no matter what I go inside, I want to still in a nice space. So, I'm going to make a hole and put a little space. Yo, go there, sir. Yo, move up there, sir. Want to sound your name again?
Anthony Francis.
Peter Wilson.
Weird. All the name sounds so different.
Is the alias them use first, Mr. Max?
When is the alias them me want? Is the alias enough to give me?
Bullet.
Lad.
I don't like those names. So I'm going to change them. The stammer one. Wait. Which one I want to stammer again? You don't confuse me, man. This stammer one put up your hand. Now, your name going to be changed to Stammer. And Bullet, as of now, your name is Blank Shot. Any objections?
No, sir. Those are all right, Mr. Max.
Then better. Blank Shot. Tidy up my bed.
Yes, sir. Which one of them is yours, Mr. Max?
The two of them are mine. Not our own. The two of them are mine. Stammer, bring your ball, come over here. Life funny doing? Look how while ago now have me under some serious water pumping and cool and deadly. And Cooper no now.
Joke with that around, Mr. Max. We never mean nothing bad.
Well, that teacher no. So no mustn't look pan a man and assume himself. Who did never realize me a the Dan?
You never look so...
Shut up! Them two that I killed this morning, I do it with the bare hands. Likewise, the 10 where I cripple.
I'll finish tied up your bed then, Mr. Max.
All right now. Blank Shot. Come and massage me toes.
What?
Take off me boot and massage me toes.
Yes, sir.
This one. Tama, you have any cigarette?
Yes, Mr. Mark.
One massage.
Yes, sir.
Me no smoke. But me only want to know if you don't have cigarette in here. Because as of now, this is a no smoking cell. You don't have any good book?
You can't have a bunk.
Under what?
Under Mr. Max second bunk.
Oh. Where you give me it for? Read it.